Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out a quick unboxing of my new Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. I am not late to the game. This is a smartphone I wasn't going to bring in, but the other day I was doing some web browsing, came across an amazing deal over at the Google Pixel store, $899. That's $300 off for the 16 gig of RAM, 256 gig of storage, 10 Pro XL. It's really gorgeous color. I had in-store credit. So with the deal that's still going on right now, I think it goes until the 25th. I could be wrong, so do your homework, of December 2025. And the in-store credit, I ended up paying $667 without having to trade anything in. And for me, that is an awesome deal. Double thumbs up. It is a beautiful, beautiful smartphone. I'm sure it's going to be amazing for me day in and day out as I start the reviewing process. And of course, I'm going to share the information with all of you.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
Most of that information is going to come your way when I'm vlogging in my car on my way to work, the early morning vlog. So please, if you're wanting to get the best updates on any smartphone that I review here on My Project 13, the early morning vlog is where I do it. That's where I'm going to share a lot of details. And they're going to be raw details. They're not going to be scripted whatsoever. So if you see that in the description area of a video, that means that you're going to get what you want as far as my experience with this device. Okay, so I'm telling you, I don't get a ton of views for those type of videos, but that's where it's going on. It really, really is. I don't do a lot of update videos right here at my desk. I do them once in a while, but for me, it's I don't know what it is. Just being in the car, going to work, getting ready for the day, having my Mickey D's coffee and sharing that information just works better for me. So don't underestimate the early morning vlog videos. So yeah, I am excited to use it and share whatever I can that might help you either make the choice to purchase or not. Now, this case has been sitting for a while. Rinky had sent me out a package. I didn't let them know that I wasn't bringing in the device, so that box of goodies has just been sitting there. And well, here I now have the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, so I'm able to use the cases and obviously the tempered glass screen protector. So huge shout out to Rinky. Really appreciate them. And I do have more cases coming, so stay tuned for that. As you can see, all the cutouts are going to be precise. Little cutout right there for the top mic. Got plenty of lips surrounding the flat display with the Rinky tempered glass screen protector. A couple little cutouts there next to the Rinky brand name there. If you want to sport a lanyard, Rinky has you covered there over at the Rinky website. Got your power button, volume rocker, all on the right-hand side. Very nice. Wow, I like that animation, actually. That's nice. On the other side, a couple cutouts there for a lanyard. You got these little air bubbles within the inside of the case, all four corners to help with shock absorption. So definitely a great case to see the beauty of my Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Visually is a good-looking phone, good-looking case. You got magnet for MagSafe, the magnetic ring back there for my Anchor magnetic wireless charging pad, so that definitely working. No issues there. You can see the battery icon there, and with the phone in it, see how strong that magnetic ring is. Yeah, that's nice. So definitely working as far as the magnetic response we want, and that it is charging, and plenty of lip surrounding that rectangular camera island there. What I like about the aesthetic design, as far as it was like that on my 9 Pro XL as well, is that you're not going to get any of that rocking back and forth. All of that area is nice and centered. So that's really nice. So I'm going to start taking pictures, shooting some video. I'll share battery life with you, 5,200 milliamp battery. So I'm pretty sure that I'm not going to have any issues with battery life. I'll share performance, functionality. Like I said, this wasn't a phone that I was going to bring in, but here it is. If there's any questions, please ask. I'm excited to get started in using this smartphone. I had to start the video up again. Some information popped up on my Z Fold 7 to start sharing information from my Z Fold 7 to the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. So anyway, appreciate all of you. Wanted to let you know that this is in-house, and stay tuned for the OnePlus 15, that it's on its way. It should be here by Christmas. So I put out an early morning vlog the other day, and in that video I mentioned I had a surprise device coming. This is it. It is here. So for those of you that have this device, share your positives and negatives. For those of you that don't have it, but you're wanting to purchase it, but you're on the fence, I mean, right now there's that great holiday deal, okay, at $899. At 256 gigs, 16 gigs of RAM, huge battery, solid device. In my opinion, that's one that a lot of you can't pass up. But hey, you want to wait for some information? I got it coming your way. Let me know what you need from me when it comes to that information. All right, everybody. With that, or else I'm going to keep on talking. God bless you all. Really appreciate your time. If you're not subscribed, please do that. Hit the notification bell. And you can buy me a coffee. You can do that. If you like the videos, leave a thumbs up. And yeah, man, if you donate some money for a coffee, it's going to be Mickey D's. It's going to be that coffee right there is my favorite. Starbucks is not in there. It's all about Mickey D's. So anyway, okay, I'm out. Peace.